Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hello there. In this video, I will explain how to make a Google form on your laptop. To start, simply open your preferred web browser and type forms. Google.com into the address bar. This will take you directly to the Google Forms homepage. Another easy way is to go to your Google Drive, click the New button, and then select Google Forms from the drop-down menu. Remember to sign in with your Google account to access all the features and begin creating your form. Once you are in Google Forms, you have two main options. Start with a completely blank form or choose from one of the many helpful templates available. After making your selection, give your form a meaningful title, like Event Registration or Feedback Survey. It is also a good idea to add a brief description to help respondents understand the form's purpose. Then, click on the Untitled Question area to type out your first question. Google Forms offers a wide array of question types to suit your needs, such as multiple choice, short answer, paragraph, and checkboxes. Simply select the type that best fits your question. To add more questions, click the plus icon on the floating toolbar. You can also mark questions as required to ensure respondents answer them. Personalize your form's look by choosing a theme, changing colors, or uploading a header image to make it visually appealing and on-brand. After creating your form, it is time to share it. You can send it directly via email, generate a shareable link to paste anywhere, or embed it into a website. Once responses start coming in, navigate to the Responses tab within your form. Here, you can view a summary with helpful charts and graphs, or examine individual responses. For more in-depth analysis, you can easily link your form to a Google Sheet, which automatically collects all your data in one organized spreadsheet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.